Please make sure to retry this question before you watch this video. Question 32 says, which of the following figures best illustrates the results of experiment 1 for species D in the sucrose broth? So we're keeping a few things in mind here. And usually for a science passage, we do not want to read the text. We want to try to answer the question looking at the charts, graphs, or tables, and only read the text if we cannot after looking at the data presentation. So in this case, there is useful information in the text. Specifically, we know that if acid is produced, the solution is yellow. If no acid is produced, the solution is red. If CO2 is produced, we will have a gas bubble. If no CO2 is produced, we will not have a gas bubble. And that is information underlined here coming directly from the text associated with experiment 1. So when we then look at the data summary, and again, we are focused on species D. For species D, it tells us in sucrose that it produces acid, but it does not produce CO2. So the positive sign means yes, it was produced. The negative sign means no, it was not produced. So because acid was produced, the text told us that the solution will be yellow because acid was produced. And then because no CO2 was produced, there will not be a gas bubble. So we are just looking for the setup that is yellow without a gas bubble. And looking at that, that would be answer choice G, which tells us that the broth is yellow and it does not denote a gas bubble at the top. We can compare that to H, where again, we see that the broth is yellow here, but it denotes a gas bubble. We do not have that here, so our correct answer is G. If you got something useful from this video, please add what you learned to your worksheet to help you retain what you learned.